Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Dear devotees, today let us know about the most essential means to achieve God realization. The God realization or self-illumination is the ultimate goal of each and every human being. Many people may not know about it, but the fact is, this is the ultimate goal of each and every human being. To attain this goal, to attain this ultimate goal, there are many paths. That is why our Veda says, Ekam Sat Vipraha Bahudha Vadanti. Truth is one, paths are many. This is the essence of our Sanatana Hindu Dharma. In this age of Kali Yuga, that means at present, the path of devotion is considered as the easy way to attain this ultimate goal. But our Shastra clearly says that without wholehearted devotion towards Lord, we can't achieve this ultimate goal through path of devotion. That is why our Shastra says, Tatte arhattama namah stuti karma puja karma smritiscaranayo shravanam kathaya samsevaya tvayi vineti shadangaya kim bhaktim janaha paramahamsagatau labheta. Tatte arhattama namah stuti karma pujaha karma smritiscaranayoho shravanam kathayam. Here our Shastra says, without wholehearted devotion towards Bhagavan, we can't expect any progress in your spiritual path. That is why here our Shastra suggests 6-limbed devotion disciplines. They are Namaha, first one. Salutation to the Lord. The importance of salutation is the salutation to the Lord or Guru brings down your false ego, which is the main obstacle for your worldly and spiritual progress. Second one is praise of the Lord. Third one is dedication of all actions as an offering to the Lord. Fourth one is selfless work. Selfless work to the Lord, selfless service to the world, selfless service to the Lord, etc. Fifth one is hearing the greatness of the Lord. And last one is remembrance of Bhagavan's excellences and sportive manifestation of the Bhagavan. Our Shastra says These are the 6 disciplines to acquire wholehearted devotion towards our Ishtadevata or towards Lord. Here our Shastra says, without the practice of these 6 disciplines, mere study of philosophy, that is Gnana Yoga, selfless work, Karma Yoga, concentration, Dhyana Yoga, cannot generate wholehearted devotion towards Bhagavan. So, we have to follow these 6 disciplines sincerely in our life. So, our Shastra here categorically says that the wholehearted devotion towards Bhagavan is the most essential means for God realization. Therefore, all of you, for your fruitful life, by following these 6 disciplines, must try to cultivate this wholehearted devotion towards Bhagavan in your life. This is the Hitopadesham for the day. Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Narayana, Narayana, Narayana.